the windows were pretty fogged. Now it's a little bit better. I just press the auto button. Auto. The AC turned on, the recirculation turned on. I don't feel any air here, but it is dry. So turning off AC, disable that one also. Less air. Now it's blowing it onto the window, front seat and rear seat. Now only onto the front passenger, rear passenger, front rear, window and legs, window legs, front rear, window and to the feet.